This video will demonstrate the installation of the B&D Deadlock. The Deadlock featured in this video must be installed by a trained installer. During the installation, the installer must use safe work practices and OH&S regulations. Please follow the safety instructions in the installation manual. The garage door deadlock is not suitable for garages that have only one exit. Before you begin, ensure the site is clean and tidy, ready for installation. Ensure the opener is not connected to power. Do not subject the device to severe impact or drop it from heights. The Deadlock kit contains the deadlock, harness and transceiver, screws and bolts, batteries for the deadlock, and striker bracket and plate. For installation, you'll need a drill and drill bits, screwdriver, a marker pen, and a Stanley knife. We will show you how to fit the transceiver on the opener before the opener is installed. The transceiver can also be fitted on an installed opener, provided the opener is compatible with the Deadlock kit. The opener must be disconnected from power. Begin by removing the cover from the opener. Remove the grommet on the underside of the opener. Cut the grommet with the Stanley knife so it can wrap around the supplied harness. Run the harness through the hole and replace the grommet. Plug the cable into the 4-pin connector on the board. Screw the opener cover back into place. Plug the harness into the transceiver. Now, using the supplied Velcro tape, attach the transceiver to the opener. The opener is ready to be installed. There are two methods for installing the Deadlock: on doors with standard side room and doors with limited side room. If the side room from the wall to the door is less than 140 millimeters, follow the low side room installation instructions. First, we will show the standard side room installation. Close the garage door and mark the installation height on the track. Position the lock bolt 20 millimeters above the second door wheel from the floor. You'll find a drilling template attached to the installation manual. Peel this off and attach it to the door track. Orientate the template according to left or right hand fitment and align the datum line with the mark on the track. Make a pilot hole with a punch or small drill bit. Drill holes in the track as marked by the drilling template. Remove the drilling template. Using the buttonhead M6x14 buttonhead screws, affix the lock to the track. Make sure the bolt engages fully and freely. Once the lock is installed, you need to set the limits on the opener to pair the lock. Next, we'll show you the low side room installation. Fit the mounting plate to the lock using the recessed screws. Align the deadlock with the mounting plate and then with the edge of the door stile. Make sure the lock bolt engages fully into the striker bracket. Open the door and affix the striker bracket to the track with the 3 bolts and nuts. Close the door, align the lock with the striking bracket, and affix the deadlock with the mounting plate to the door with the 4 Tech screws. Check the lock operation. Once the lock is installed, you need to set the limits on the opener to pair the lock. You can now operate the door with the remote. The lock will engage and disengage automatically. In case of a power outage, the lock can be disengaged manually by pulling the red latch in the direction of the arrow on the lock. Thank you for watching. For more information about the B&D Deadlock, contact your B&D representative.